Okay, I still can't think of a funny intro, so I'm just gonna dive right in. We're installing freebsd, which will be fun, and we'll call that freebsd, because I'm funny. You see what I did there? P inside the free and SD. Anyway, BSD, 64-bit. Let's go. 2 gigs. Yep. Right, I'll go for the usual, 20, just in case. It's a bit excessive, but, you know, you never know. Ka-chow. I should have it here. Yeah. Let's dive right in. I actually love FreeBSD, because it's like everything I'd want from Arc, you know, super lightweight, super fast. It starts with only a terminal, but it's also, as you'll see, easy to install. And I intend to be able to do things like get x11 working first try without having to mess with configs and stuff, which will be cool. Anyway, right, install. Yep. You know the drill. Funny names. Yep. Ka-chow. Oh. There we go. See, you hardly even need to read anything for this. Yes, I'm sure. Epic. It's nice not using Fdisk. I mean, it's more intimidating than Ubuntu. It's not got like a super clean GUI or anything, but the installation's basically the same in terms of difficulty. Don't mind my knuckle cracking. It's taking its time though. I'm always surprised by how big FreeBSD is though. For all I'm calling it lightweight, it's like 2 gigabytes. Which I'm not sure about the others, but I'm pretty sure certainly the super old ones like Red Hat and stuff are microbial. Maybe not though, maybe I'm just spouting bull. We'll see. Actually, we probably won't. Okay, password. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very original. Ciao. Well, sure. Yeah. See, you can just spam yes with this, and it will work. Which is nice. Sure. Don't even know what that is, but we're doing it. Nice. I always love sending my router solicitation. It's a big word. Okay. Where am I from? Ooh. We thinking Africa? Asia? Atlantic Ocean. Yes, I live in the sea. Europe. What country or region? Cool country. Okay, where's there? That's a long name. Does the abbreviation GMT look reasonable? No, I will not accept that. I'm gonna skip. Skip. Don't know what these things are. Sure. I'm thinking no. If this was a real system, I would, but it's only going to be used once. Yes. This is a hard one. No. Reboot it. Okay, it's taking its time. I might have to mash F12. Yeah, there we go. F12. 1. And we should be in. enter. Oh boy. The anticipation is killing me. Okay, my PC's freaking out. Its fan's going like insane. Right, log in. Root. Password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I still recording? Okay, phew. That's a relief. Right. This can go away. Where is it? Here it is. There we go. And we're in. LS. Okay. Right. I think I know how to use PKG. Oh, that was a nice voice crack. PKG install xorg. Ciao. Yes. I'm not going to read that, but I know the answer is yes. Just that gut feeling. Sure. Yes, definitely. 100% yes. I'm really feeling the positivity today. Oh boy. I have no idea how long this will take. It might take longer than the installed system itself. Not sure. Yeah, just as I said, I wanted it to speed up. It's gone way slow. Oh, wow, that was bad timing. Just went really fast, actually. Okay, start X. I don't know if that's the command. I'm guessing it is though. Oh my god, and it works, and it's way too big. Hold on, Control F. View. No. Go away. View. 125. Does that fit? Only just. Right, okay. This is it. It's freeb. Yep. There you go. It's a miracle. It actually works. I've managed to get a desktop-ish thing. I'm not sure you can call it desktop, maybe it's just a window manager. I don't know. One of these things working. First try. On a terminal-based thing. Oh my god, another voice crack, Jesus. Right, okay. Let's see what we've got. Show the icon thing. We want X clock. Oh wait, it was already here. I just wasn't paying attention to it. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? Now I can tell the time. Okay. PKG. Wait, has this got X's in it? No. Okay, PKG install. No. Install X's. Ciao. Yes, proceed with that installation. Proceed like you've never proceeded before. That was fast. Oh my god, it works. Beautiful. I don't know why I love this so much. Weep, weep. Just gonna put that there.